Alberta is freezing the rate of its industrial carbon tax, backing out of hikes it agreed to with Ottawa in 2022. The price will stay at $95 per ton indefinitely, the Premier says, instead of rising to $110 next year and $170 by 2030.
That would be devastating to Alberta's economy. This is yet another example of Ottawa overstepping into our provincial jurisdiction with reckless policies that damage our industry.
The Technology Innovation Emissions Reduction Regulation, or TIER, was established in 2007. It collects carbon taxes from heavy emitters and uses that money to fund greener innovations. The UCP says now that the Liberals killed the consumer carbon tax and Donald Trump brought in tariffs, it's time to rethink industrial carbon taxes.
We're still in compliance, and we do have time to negotiate with the federal government and have that conversation with the federal government. Again, the time has changed and the context has changed significantly.
The announcement comes amid a spike in separation talk and a new poll that found 65% of Danielle Smith's voters are tired of fighting with Ottawa and would rather leave. But the Premier says she is still committed to forcing a better deal within Canada with announcements like this and will leave separation efforts to others.
I don't intend for the United Conservative Party to become a single-issue party. We intend to continue to support their founding documents, which that we are supporting constitutional sovereignty within United Canada.
The NDP says the government should leave the carbon price plan alone and clearly denounce separatism, arguing both moves create uncertainty and are bad for business.
I think the biggest threat right now to our economic competitiveness is this flirtation with the separatist agenda and not Alberta's industrial carbon pricing.
Experts say it's up to the feds to decide next year if Alberta is charging enough through TIER. If not, Ottawa could impose its own price, but that would likely be met with more fierce opposition from the Wild Rose province. From Edmonton, Sean Amato, City News.